Environment. What is the environment? Let's find out. The environment. The air, water and land in or on which people and plants live. So it's where plants live and it's where animals and people live. That is their environment. Certain chemicals have been banned because of their damaging effect on the environment. Okay? For example, if you put petrol, oil into the sea, you are damaging whose environment? You are damaging the fish's environment. Okay? Next one. Extinction. Many species of plants and animals are in danger or threatened with extinction, being destroyed so that they no longer exist. So that's when an animal, for example, has been killed and hunted, maybe for whatever reason, and they've been killed, and now there's no more animals left. There's no more animals living. They are gone and they can't come back. Okay? Flood. What is a flood? A large amount of water covering an area that is usually dry. For example, in England, about 5 years ago, there was lots of rain and the rivers, they filled up with water and there was flooding. Water came into people's houses. Okay, that's what a flood is. Fumes. What are fumes? Strong, unpleasant and sometimes dangerous gas or smoke. Petrol fumes always make me feel ill. So you get fumes from cars, for example. All the smoke coming out of the cars and all the fumes coming out of the cars, they can be dangerous, okay, and harmful. And they don't smell very good. Natural resources. Things such as minerals, forests, coal, which exist in a place and can be used by people. Some natural resources, such as natural gas and fossil fuels, cannot be replaced. Okay, so natural resources are things people use to make energy, for example, like trees, coal. Do you remember what coal is? It's the black stuff. That black stuff you burn to make fires. Okay. Next one is global warming. A gradual increase in the world's temperature caused by polluting gas such as carbon dioxide, which are collecting in the air around the earth and preventing heat escaping into space. Global warming. What does warm mean? It's, do you understand warm? Hot, heat, getting warmer. So global warming is our planet, our earth, getting warmer. Okay? Greenhouse effect. An increase in the amount of carbon dioxide and other gases in the atmosphere, which is believed to be the cause of a gradual warming of the surface on the earth. So if you type into Google greenhouse and see what it looks like, okay, and it will help you understand. So greenhouse effect is basically carbon dioxide and other gases. They are not allowing the heat on the earth to escape. So it's just getting hotter and hotter and hotter. And this is called the greenhouse effect. Okay. Next one. How many more to go now? We've got Greenpeace, renewable energy. About 6 more to go. Okay. Greenhouse. An organization that fights for the protection of the environment. So it is an organization, people, and they come together and they help protect the environment. For example, if a big company wants to cut down a forest, Greenpeace organization will come and they will say, no, don't destroy this forest, belongs to us, don't do this. They will protect it. Okay. Next one, renewable energy. You should know this one. I did this before with Ahlam, Layla, Nasdad, Nizar. I don't think Ride. I think Ride was at the hospital, and Jack was not in the class, and rider and the other ahlam. I don't know. Anyway, renewable energy describes a form of energy that can be produced as quickly as it is used. Renewable energy sources such as wind and wave power. So, good example is the sun's energy. The sun's energy, it keeps coming, it doesn't stop. Or wind energy. We can keep using the wind's energy, for example, to turn turbines and keep using its energy. It won't finish. Okay? Ozone layer. A layer of air high above the earth which contains a lot of ozone and which prevents harmful chemicals, harmful ultraviolet lights from which prevents harmful ultraviolet light from the sun from reaching the earth. Okay? So you have, I'll just draw a little picture for you. Sorry, my drawing is not very good. So let me just see if you can see what I'm drawing. So I will draw the earth here. Okay, there is grease, not really. And then around the earth, in the atmosphere, we have the ozone layer. See? So we have the earth, and then we have the ozone layer. And then we have the sun. Okay? The sun has UV rays, okay? It's very powerful, very strong. And this ozone layer, it protects us, it helps us, okay? But many dangerous, bad gases are breaking the ozone layer. So the dangerous energy from the sun is coming through, okay? For example, in Australia, there is a hole in the ozone layer. So lots of people have to wear hats and put sun cream, otherwise it's very dangerous. Okay? Good. Next one. Well, I don't know if it's okay. I hope it's okay. Ozone layer finished. Pollution. Damage caused to water, air by harmful substances or waste. So that can be anything. You can pollute the sea by putting petrol into the sea. You can just by throwing a plastic bag on the floor, that is called pollution. Okay? A few more now. 3 more. Recycle waste. To collect and treat rubbish to produce useful materials which can be used again. So in many countries now you can take glass bottles and you can put it in a special bin, and they take all of the glass bottles and they break it and then they make new bottles. Okay, so this is recycled waste. 2 more. Sustainable development. Development that is causing little or no damage. No damage means no problems, nothing bad to the environment, and therefore able to continue for a long time. Okay, so what is sustainable development? If you put solar, or wind turbines, a lot of them in a village, that would be sustainable development, okay? Because we're able to use these things for a long time. A large international meeting was held with the aim of promoting sustainable development in all countries. So if you watch the news now, they are always talking about sustainable development. Sustainable development, something which is going to last for a long time. If we keep cutting trees and if we keep taking coal and using all of our natural resources, that is not sustainable development. We need to find different alternatives. Okay? Last one. Waste. Unwanted matter or material of any type. Often that which is left after useful substances or parts have been removed. Waste is very easy. It's rubbish, garbage. You drink a Coca-Cola, you throw you drink the Coca-Cola, and then you have the can. This is waste. Okay, Now read over it again. If you don't understand any words, you can message me or go on Google, or you can, if you have a dictionary, that'd be great, use the dictionary. Okay, any problems, don't ask me. Okay, good luck. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy learning all of these new words, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.